be here in the Oriental chair, to be sit here. This occasion affirms a lodge mission, strengthens camaraderie, and ensures the stability of our institution. May encounter natin along the way, but through determination and perseverance, our divine Creator, the great architect of the universe, will guide us and strengthen us. Give us strength and wisdom to overcome all these challenges. Sa aking very supportive na asawa, please bring a flower to Ateng. It is with great honor na mapasama po sa napaka-noble organization we belong.
Masaya po ako para sa kanya today and medyo kinakabahan and very grateful po ako sa mga kuyang and na bumisita sa aking mga sa humble since in lines of professional po is army, so may discipline pa rin, pero lagi po siyang may willing to listen, and he always tell us sa bahay na be fair always.
You are the blessing. The way you love, the way you protect, the way you pour into people and stay solid in your character, even when you're exhausted. But don't let that make you forget who you are, because people like you don't just show up. You hold entire worlds together without anyone noticing. Your presence is the calm in the storm. Your love is the anchor, and your strength is the reason others don't fall apart.
My worshipful master, congratulations for today, and alam ko it's a big obligation, and we believe in you, and I love you.
As the new worshipful master of this lodge, be the bond that will hold this lodge together. Be the calm during times of storms for this lodge. Make your brotherly love to your brethren be the anchor that will keep this ship afloat. And may your strength be the reason why your lodge and the brethren don't fall apart. In sum, be the good